Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you clicked on it, it's because you saw the title, which is about creating a Facebook Messenger room using your iPhone. Also including would be creating one or inviting people to your Facebook Messenger room using your email. That means that they don't have to have a Facebook to actually access your Facebook Messenger room. So let's dodge into the video. Thank you for watching, and let's get to the how-to. Alright everyone, so now we're on my Facebook. Yeah, you guys can sneak peek into my life. I'm just kidding. Alright, so we're going to pay attention to two tabs on top of the Facebook app. Both say, one says room and the other one says create a room. Now, you also have the tab of friends who are online who you can actually click on and either say hi to or create a room with them and literally chat in that room. So you can see whoever's online and pretty much do that. So we're actually going to go into what is create a room. So let's click create a room. Tap create a room. Click. Like I'm on a computer. Alright, so now we're on a create a room, right? So we have room activity, who's invited, and start time. So room activity is pretty much letting everybody know you're active. You may be on standby. Who's invited, you can literally just open the room up to all your friends. Anybody can join in. Or you can click on specific people. If you tap on specific people, then you're actually able to invite only a specific amount of people, up to 50 people though. I think Facebook rooms only allows you to invite 50 people. So you guys can have like a 50 people chat, which is actually insane. I don't know how that would go. I'm not gonna invite anybody because I don't know what they're doing. And you can turn on your link sharing, you can turn it off, or you can turn it on or keep it off. I'm keeping it off. So you go start time, you can choose any time to start your room. You can start it now, or you can start it later on in the day. It's up to you. Whenever you're ready to start your room, go ahead and do it. Alright, so we're gonna hit next. So let's tap that next button. So now you can invite, share, edit, or you can end your room. We're actually going to copy this link, and the good thing about Facebook rooms is you can copy the link and send it to somebody who does not have Facebook Messenger or Facebook at all. So for example, right, somebody like my father who erases Facebook, I'm actually able to click on that link, send him an email with that link, so he can log on, or he can click on that link and then access the room that I'm in. Now, this is good in regards to person to person, or if you're doing personal contacts, or if you have a Facebook business page. This actually can be utilized to communicate with your followers or to do like a masterclass through your Facebook page. But when it comes to Zoom on the business niche, sorry, there's a notification on my computer. Sorry about that, guys. But when it comes to Zoom, they still have, I believe, the best business oriented conference, because not everybody shares their Facebook. Not everybody wants to click on this link to share their Facebook. I mean, most of us don't really share our Facebook with our coworkers or our boss or anybody related to work. So Zoom is the best option when it comes to business, in my opinion. Now you can have a different opinion, comment it below. So let's click on that link. Well, actually, you can share, before we click on that link, you can actually share your room on your wall, on your post, and people can actually access it that way. Let me I'm struggling. Okay, there you go. So we're going to copy the link, and we're going to email it. Well, I'm going to email it to myself, of course. Let's go to my Yahoo email. And I'm going to compose an email. Some UPS packages that were coming through. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to send this link to my own Gmail account. You got subject, Facebook rooms, You can label it whatever you want. Paste and send. Right. So now let's go to my Gmail to see what that link looks like and how would it appear to somebody who you sent the link to. Alright, let's go to Gmail. Gmail. Okay, so we're going to click that link. And there we go. So Anthony's room should pop up. Look at that handsome face. Alright, so basically on that room, on that link, you can pretty much share your link. The people access it through it. That's what it would look like when you go online. That's your room. So now we're going to leave my room. And it goes straight to Messenger. Now it opened up the Messenger app because I have a Messenger app. But if I didn't, it would just open up on their phone as a room chat, or you know, the kind of like a video facing, kind of like a FaceTime, something like that. So that's pretty much it when it comes to Facebook rooms. Now, disclosure, as you see that my face appeared there, make sure you're not using the bathroom, just like that Zoom viral video, because if not, you're gonna embarrass yourself and you're gonna appear on Facebook or on Instagram as the person who used the toilet while using Facebook Messenger rooms trying to communicate with somebody. So you don't want to become famous that way. Unless you do, it's up to you. So that's pretty much it when it comes to Facebook rooms. It's really simple to use. It's not that complicated. You can use up to 50 people. Like I said, when it comes to your Facebook business page, you can use it. But when it comes to video conferences with businesses, Zoom still is the better option. Now, in my niche, when it comes to reselling, for my resellers out there who watch my channel, it works in case you have to show off a product, just in case you show off an electronic that you wanted to show off that it actually works with somebody who wants to buy it. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you can use it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. I hope it was simple enough. If it is, give it a like. Comment your opinion on Facebook Messenger rooms, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for upcoming content regarding reselling and how to make $1,000 on eBay. Thank you guys. Until next time.